Imagine an AI that runs its own research for a full day straight and never loses track of what it learned. Most agents can't. So how does this one do it? Here's the pain. Set an AI agent loose for hours, and it charges down dead ends, burning real money on jobs that were never going to work. Restart it, and it forgets everything it already figured out. The obvious fix is to just give it more time or a bigger memory. But that's not it. The real trick is treating research like a video game, with save points you can rewind to. Let me show you. So instead of a diary of notes, the agent takes a full snapshot every time it gets a real result. All its files, models, memory, and scores. A part called ESTRA then makes one call at each save point. Keep pushing this idea, or rewind and branch a new way. And a separate manager quietly kills compute jobs that aren't paying off. Here's the whole machine. Research workers move along recoverable save points. When one path hits a wall, ESTRA rewinds to an earlier glowing checkpoint and splits off a fresh direction, while the manager below hands out and cuts off compute. That's the trick. It never loses ground, it just tries another branch. And it works. Across 75 real Kaggle-style contests, ScienceFlow won a medal 70% of the time, beating the best rival. And those save points? Storing only the changes shrank storage by over 90%, from 2205 gigabytes down to 189. And here's the kicker for builders. A cheap model reached near top quality for about 1/84th of the cost. So a smart design can matter more than an expensive model, and the same setup even won across math and science tasks too. So the lesson is simple. To let AI run real research, don't just give it more time. Give it a way to save its progress and take it back. If save point research clicked for you, follow along for more papers made simple.